with major help coming from Nolasco, nakapag-produce naman ng service aces tong Letran. So napunan yung scoring department na yon galing sa Blazers.
Yeah, a few of those came from Judel Netura at saka si Napal.
Yan, Napal, ang tagal niya doon sa service line kanina.
The catalyst of that 10-1 run by Letran happened in the early part of set number 3. Now we begin the fourth set. Good to have you with us, Martin Javier, Anjo Pertiera, MG Baliday here in the broadcast. And Letran trying to force an extension as well. A fifth set. Benilde can take it right here. You guys just tuned in. This is battle for the #1 spot. 13-2 ang Letran, 12-2 ang Benilde. Error mula dito kay Sari.
Yeah, that was too long. Break ball. Silva, dig set, papuntang open area. Masyadong malakas para kay Sari that time.
And now Mike Ago, #2 server in the league. Judel Netura rather, #1 in that department. Sari rises. She is checked.
Good coverage para sa Letran Lady Knights.
Free ball. Benilde will take advantage.
Wow, good dig by Estrelier and Sari.
Ooh.
Wow.
She swings, doesn't score.
Silva was there.
Wow, great effort by Lara May. Ito na, ang Benilde. Ondangan again. Nandun pa rin si Silva. Sari will try. Katigan with a track down. Then Singh. Netura was there.
Joust! Wow!
De La Cruz wins the battle.
Good rally. Good presence of mind for both teams, but De La Cruz strong para sa joust na yon against Ondangan. Puntos para sa Letran Lady Knights.
That was a grind out point
Yeah, it
for
was.
the Lady Knights, di ba?
Nakakapagod yun.
Napagod, but that was a good exchange for both teams. Sari, this is a running hit. Outside for Ondangan.
Tulong for Ondangan, pero nakikita natin late ulit yung blockers ng Letran Lady Knights pagdating sa mga long run set na binibigay ni Basarte sa kanyang spikers. Kailangan nilang ma-check or mapabagal man lang yung spikes na yun.
But Benilde again on these attack errors. Started in set number 3. Now it's continuing here.
Good serve by Sari.
That's not a good reception. This is Estrelier setting up De La Cruz. Nandun si Ondangan. Martin with the ad-lib. Torog with the save. Lieses cross court.
Grabing lihis naman galing kay Lieses. Balikat spike. Sobrang kabig papuntang kanan. Ang nipis nung angle. Silva wasn't there. Kasi ang nipis, akala niya sarado na yung angle. It's hard for a spiker na papunta yung bola. But Lieses making it look easy.
That's right. Estrelier, one-handed
set.
Bumalik sa side ng Letran. Martin. Popped up. Lieses.
Good block by De La Cruz. Ang gandang timing ni Netura. De La Cruz that time para sa spike ni Lieses. Not this time.
So now, Letran scores a kill block.
Yeah.
You know, that's something they haven't taken advantage of in this match. De La Cruz. Dancing.
Good dig by De La Cruz.
Martin. Ando naman si Dorog. Lieses. Sari ang nag-set up kay Netura.
Oh, no.
Baba.
Oo. Medyo nabaon ni Jodiel that time yung set. Galing sa break ball na set ni Sari.
So 3-all. Toe-to-toe start. In set number 4, Aya Dancing rather. Starts up the play. Napal. Basarte.
Ganda na ng floor defense ng Letran Lady Knights.
Martin. Ito ulit ang Benilde. Nolasco!
No, ito na si Coach Oliver asking for that 3-man block kapag tres yung set. Alam naman nila kanina pa, walang sagot sa blocking pagdating kay Nolasco at kay Ondangan. They need 3-man block para mas madali yung coverage ng mga depensa sa likod.
Again, Nolasco is the focal point of this Benilde offense. Netura! Powerful kill coming from Judel.
Yeah, pero bumitaw sila Lieses sa block eh. Akala nila i-check out eh. Look at the replay. Bumitaw si Lieses. Kaya mas napadali yung atake ni Nitura.
Hindi umextend yung arms, ano? Oh, Nolasco.
Oh, yeah. Good timing naman this time para sa block ng Letran Lady Knights. Nolasco not this time. That was a short running attack na sinet ni Basarte kay Nolasco. Good timing mula kay Martin at kay Napal. Good communication as well.
5-4. Back row hit. Estrelier brings it to Martin. Micah go with the dig. Lieses again, two-handed push.
No! No, sumabay yung atras ni Martin sa pagkuha niya ng bola. Kaya na may projection ng bola. Lumakas na tuloy. She was there but, ayun sayang. Paatras siya eh.
So 5-all tayo dito sa ating set number 4. This is the game we expected.
Ito yung
Dikitan.
alam natin na dikit na,
Oh, Zam Nolasco with another shutdown at the net.
Tama, another kill block point para kay Nolasco. Kanina pa to, on fire pagdating sa net defense. Basang-basa niya. Yung spike, saradong-sarado yung cross-court angle kanina pa yon.
Grabe yan, ano? Payong na payong.
Oo.
Napal. Deflected. Zam. Denied.
Balikan lang ng black rebounds para kay Napal siya kay Nolasco. Gandang laban sa gitna. Oh, not over para kay Martin. Pinilit niya, ilihis eh.
Now, Gia Makilang will come in for... mamaya na daw.
Mamaya pa. Papabawiin pa ni Coach Oliver.
Ready na si Gia.
Oo.
7-5 is the tally. Estrelier.
Oh, miscommunication para sa Letran Lady Knights. Chance ball.
Zam Nolasco.
Very costly. Ito na naman. Nagkakaroon na naman ng run itong Lady Blazers na nahihirapan maka-side out. Itong Letran Lady Knights.
8-5 lead. When we return, a report from MG Baliday.
Kilalang-kilala ngayon si Carlos Yulo sa kanyang double gold sa Paris. Pero alam nyo ba na mayroon nang naunang Carlos na naglaro sa Olympics na tubong NCAA? Siya'y walang iba kundi si Carlos Caloy Zaga na nagpa-champion sa San Beda Red Lions ng 3 beses noong 1950s. Lumahok si Loizaga ng 2 beses sa Olympics, pati na rin sa Asian Games, FIBA Asia at FIBA World Championships kung saan nagkamit siya ng maraming
NCAA Season 100 Volleyball Tournament. Martin and Anjo, now that the Lady Blazers are down by 1 set, the coaching staff advised them to have a proper form because that's where everything starts. So they should be firm in doing their blocks, defense, and their service, pointing out na gawin lang din nila kung ano ang ginawa nila during the first and second set. But this time, one problem that they want to solve in the fourth set is for the third ball to convert into points. Hindi pa raw kasi tapos ang laban. In fact, they are motivated na isa na lang. They would go home with another win. Kaya naman hindi dapat silang tamarin. All for now from courtside. Back to you, Martin and Anjo.
Maraming salamat, MG Baliday. That's the coaching staff of Benil, Coach Jerry, Coach Onyok, with some instructions. And for Benil, they are responding so far. Anjo, 9-5 start here in the fourth set.
Tama nga yung sabi ni Coach Jerry. No, gawin nyo lang yung ginawa nyo the first 2 sets and you'll get this match. At ito na nga yung ginagawa nila.
Going back to the system, that's going to be key here for Benil. On your screens is Micah Go.
Ito namang Letran Lady Knights para bumabalik sa kanina. Hindi sila makaside out. Nagpapile up yung errors.
And that's what she can bring. Talking about Gia Makilang. Kanina papasok na. Pero sabi ni Coach Oliver, sige, si Yen muna. Pagkatapos ka ng technical timeout and right away, she produced.
Good sign para sa side ng Letran Lady Knights. Meron silang spark plug na paghuhugutan.
This is a rejection. Kay Zam naman ngayon, kept alive. Sari will try. Dorog was there. Zam again, but it's still playable.
Wow! Good adjustment para kay Micah Go. Yung bola, bumuka, ang layo niya na. Mid-air adjustment. Tamang gamit lang ng wrist action. Off-speed attack. Walang depensa sa gitna. Puntos para kay Micah Go.
One of the smartest players in the league. Former NCAA MVP. Micah Go, 10-6 now for Benilde. Miss hit dun sa
Yeah, hindi niya na-pump ng ayos.
service.
Oo.
Bihira yan. Ken Velasco has been so efficient in this match.
Yeah, that's so true. Makita mo bago yun, no, yung rally. Lahat ng bola, kahit break ball, itataas na sa gitna. Ipipilit nila para lang paluin ni Zam.
Ito na, sinapal. Basarte brings it to Go. Netura, siya yung nag-set up kay Sari.
Wow.
Vanessa, Sari scores.
Good set then by Jodel Netura. High ball set para kay Sari. She knows what to do pag nasa kanya yung bola. Once again, challenging yung blocking si Basarte. Ito yung nakikita niya advantage na hindi niya na pwede challenge yung middle blockers ng CSB Lady Blazers kasi alam niya na mataas yung percentage na babablock siya.
Babablock, oo. Go. This is a difficult pickup. Micah Go will take it. Estrelier. Back to Sari they go. Dorog could not save it. So back-to-back hits for Sari. She cuts the lead down to 1.
Ito na, nag-hit na si Sari, our record holder. Pagdating sa attack points. Back to back.
Yung paluan patasan. Makinig kayo mabuti. Nagkakatalo kung sino matibay dito sa baba, serve at receive. Maniwala kayo sa akin. Sa atake patasan. Nagkakatalo kung sino nakakabasa ng depensa, receive at serve. Naiintindihan niyo ba ako? Huwag ka muna mag-lock, magbasa kang dandan.
Pagsasin yung bola, dandahanin lang ha! Pagsasin yung bola, dandahan!
That's an interesting message from Coach O. Kasi patasan lang sila. Kung atake sa atake, pantay yung dalawang teams natin. Magkakatalo dun sa baba.
Tama, sa floor defense at sa coverage. Kapag na-block, kailangan mo magko-cover. Kapag coverage, tamang depensa, sistema pa rin.
9-10. Christy Ondangan with a response after the timeout.
Ito na naman, CSC Lady Blazers going in the middle, opting for that middle blocker spike. Once again, not a quick, isang tres lang. Si set mo lang ng mataas sa gitna. Nagagawa na agad, nakapag-adjust agad tong Blazers.
Oh!
Wait!
Vanessa Sari kept alive by Go.
And no! Wow, that was a good effort para sa side ng CSB Lady Bears. But that was a very good spike galing kay Sari.
You know,
What an angle, a very powerful spike. Ang ganda rin ng approach. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh.
pero hinabol ni Mikes. Too
Ganda
difficult
nun.
for Benilde.
No, it almost went over.
Mahirap pa yung bigay kay Sari dun ah.
Yeah.
Diba? Underhand, malapit sa net. Oh! Christy Ondangan.
Check out para kay Ondangan. Nakita niya ang ganda ng tapat ng blocker sa kanya. Kaabig pa kaliwa. Check ball kay Jodel Netura.
12-10. It remains close in the fourth set. Service ace for Micah Go. Now this is something she does so well.
No wonder from a former MVP and reigning MVP rather.
Sinasabi ko sa inyo, we have to be ready lagi. Doon nagkakatalo eh. Diba? Doon nagkakatalo ate. Juday! Sinabi na sa'yo eh. Nandito na yon, tres na eh. Ano pang hinihintay mo dito? Dito na kayo. Pangalawa, dos yung bola. Bakit hinihintay mong paluin sa'yo? Ito, pinasok mo yan. Eh di block. Pinasok nila. Nandito yung bola. Kapatid ka palabas eh. Oo, papayag ka na papaluin palabas.
Si Coach O re-emphasizing his point earlier. Na sabi sa inyo doon magkakatalo.
Yeah.
Dun sa floor work.
Very evident naman eh. Kasi kung tao sa tao lang, spike na spike lang, kayang-kaya na sumabay eh.
That's right.
Eto na.
Pakita mo yan.
Oo.
That's Judel Nitura.
Yeah, very effective and good timeout para kay Coach Oliver. That was worth it. Jodel Natura spiking in over sa seam at sa gitna ng blockers ng CSB Lady Blazers. Too powerful din para depensahan pa.
That is the 10th point of Nitura. So ito si Vanessa Sari.
Good serve.
Powerful one. Muntik na regalo. Pero babalik sa Letran. Nitura. Torog. Popping it up. Tensing. The assist this time from the other side.
Ooh.
It rolls back to Letran.
Oh! Miscommunication para sa side ng Letran. Estrelier was there, the designated center, but Silva was there as well. Asking for that second ball.
And you saw the reaction of Coach O afterwards. Yung panghihinayang.
Oh, that was very costly. Back to 3 ang kalamangan ng Blazers.
Christie. Nat, back to Judel here, who is sent back. Second jump for Zam. Drop down. Estrelier unable to get to it properly.
Wala na malagang at this time para sa second ball na yon. Mula sa Letran Lady Knights.
Here's Zam Nolasco. Just too good in front of the net. Apat na ang abante ng Benil.
They need to side out this possession na agad. But that was
Oh!
too strong. That was a nice serve galing kay Ondangan. Grabing service yun ang talas.
Power tip from Densing. And she will bring us to our second technical timeout. A comfortable lead for the defending champions.
Ang unang pumapasok sa isipan pag NCAA ang napag-uusapan ay basketball. Pero kahit sa ibang larangan ng palakasan, lalaban pa rin ang NCAA. Tignan nyo ang tubong mapuwa na si Chess Grandmaster Eugene Torre na isa na ang Hall of Famer. Ang taga-College of St. Benilde na Season 92 Men's Volleyball Champion at MVP na
All right, again, a reminder for everybody, tomorrow, May 22nd, 2:30 p.m. inside the Mall of Asia Arena, also live on GTV, mangyayari na po ang NCAA Season 100 Cheerleading Competition. Now, I'll be hosting this one alongside our courtside reporter, Guy Salgalpo, and Miss Lexi Gonzalez. Special performer, Shanti, okay, and courtside reporter, Flo Del Agua will be there as well. Abangan niyo po yan bukas sa Mall of Asia Arena. That's gonna be a great show for sure.
Ano outfit mo bukas, Mark?
T-shirt lang.
T-shirt lang.
Hindi tayo ito NCAA 100
Okay.
Kasi special season.
Tama.
Hindi tayo makakabog.
Wow.
Biro lang.
Another strong serve galing kay Ondangan.
Si Ondangan talaga.
Oo.
Pinapahirapan yung reception ng Letran. Triple block. Sari gets it. Another chance ball.
Oh! Wow! Wow! Silva
Now,
with a big risk.
She does that in beach volleyball.
Yeah, I know. Kabisado na yun, Marks.
Pumupuntos sa mga dig. Ito si Lara May.
Ako yung kinabahan eh.
Oo.
Grabe, ang bilis ng balik mula sa dig. Whew.
Ito na, Letran will try to fight back. They're down by 4. Lady Blazers have been good though. Nat to Judel.
Oh!
Shut down at the nets.
Once again, Nolasco. Proving na mahirap tibagin. Grabe oh.
Yeah.
No way eh. No way for that ball to cross over sa side ng Blazers.
Their blocking has made the difference today. Talking about Benilde. Aside from altering the attempts, nakakakuha ng puntos, pinag-iisip din yung mga spiker nitong Letran.
At nakakababa ng confidence kapag mablock ka every time.
Katulad niyan. It's another return. Judel again. Mikes with a pop-up. Joust. Still alive. Zam. This time Letran with their own version of shutdown.
Good rally.
Nat. Back to Judel. Not to Jamaica go. Good reflexes.
Good block by
still
Napal.
alive. Longest rally so far. Lara May brings it to still playable. Makilang. Lieses. Too strong.
Yes, that was...
There was a check.
Yeah, there was a check. Sabi natin first referee. Is there gonna be a challenge?
10 puntos
Ah,
para
wala.
kay Lieses.
Wow, that
So-
was a long rally.
This is not gonna be challenged anymore.
No, yeah. Play on daw, sabi ni Coach Oliver.
18-12.
6 big points ang kalamangan ng Letran Lady Knights.
Estrelier to Gia. Nat goes
No,
to Napal.
that's too low. Medyo malaking sugal yun mula kay Estrelier. Masalo pag at this point of the game, medyo dapat porsyento na eh.
That's right. And she was a little too far out of the
Yeah.
net.
Di ba, variation? Nawawala tayo ng variation. Sinasabi ko na sa'yo yan eh. Listen up. Again, walang instant. This is a learning process. Kailangan proseso. Ano kung na-block? No problem, ma-block. Ang importante, may tumutulong sa coverage. Hindi bali mag-depensa. Ang importante, alam mo kung ano
Tay,
gagawin
matagal pa yan. Say-say
Oo, tayo
natin,
na.
ha?
Oo.
Say-say natin.
They need a stop here, March.
Uh,
Lumulobo na yung kalamangan ng Blazers.
This is now an 8-2 run for Benilde. And if you're facing a deficit against the Lady Blazers, napakahirap bumalik sa laban. Kasi itong Benilde, once you get them going, they have the ability to finish the job.
Yeah, they took to pull away real quick.
Yeah. Napal.
Oh, wait.
Di tumawid. Ibabalik ni Sari.
Oh,
Pero
no.
lumabas. 20-12.
Ito, same trend sa first two sets. Anong nangyayari sa Letran Lady Knights kapag nakakapag-commit sila ng error, nagpa-pile up. They don't know how to bounce back in an instant.
Bensing with a good serve. Nat choosing
Wow!
Gia. Putting it through the block.
Gia challenging Nolasco. Getting the best out of it. Nolasco medyo na late. Hindi pumasok ang kamay niya sa net ng Letran Lady Knights. And Gia scoring a point.
Much needed one for Letran. So
Oo.
naiwanan na sila.
Malaki-laki na ito. 7 points.
So now, Coach O, eto na, pinasok ulit si Tumayaw alongside ni Sen Colendra. Bounced off the net. Underhand reverse set to Gia Makilang. Maika go again with excellent defense. Tumayaw. Back to Gia they go. Lumusot.
Another
But still
block
alive.
rebound para kay Nolasco.
One-handed save. Back row push. Nolasco drops it in.
What a drop by Nolasco. Saktong-sakto sa likod at balikat nung blockers na nasa harapan niya. Well read, alam niya na dikit yung bola at maaabot anytime kapag pinalo pa niya. Very smart play para kay Nolasco that time.
Yun ang height is might sa sequence na yon. Seeing and reading the situation well. Colendra. Cross court. Malakas. So it's a 9-point lead for Benilde. And it looks like they will avenge their loss in the first round against Letran.
Yeah.
This is an important win, especially at this stage of the competition for Benilde. Tumayaw. Makilang. Getigan.
Gandang depensa ni Gitigan doon.
Ito ulit. Lara May. Dinala kay Makilang. Off the block.
Check out. Gia Makilang still fighting para sa side ng Letran Lady Knights. Once again, they need to capitalize. Masalo kapag nasa up si Basarte, nagba-block. Kanina doon nakapunto si Sari. This time, Gia needs to make more of that.
Yeah. Diretso kay Dorog, who has been receiving well for Benilde. Lara May, siya yung magbibigay kay Sari. Nolasco targeting it well.
Aha, 3-man block, but still hindi na pabagal. No block rebound. Puntos para kay Zam. Very
Nililista.
dominant, March.
Yeah.
Mapa-atake, mapa-net defense. Very present.
And again, Zam Nolasco continues to pace this team. Para sa middle, ang laking production yan.
Sobra.
Diba?
Oo.
Ooh! Christie. Wala. Block
Parang
point.
nakita nga ako ng mga parang Chaja Santiago moments.
pwede
Tight
yan.
break mo.
Uy!
Diba? Itatayo mo lang sa gitna.
Actually, she has that potential.
Oo.
Itong si Zam.
Oo.
Kasi she's around 6'6", Tapos, ganun yung coordination.
Yes, same play style halos eh.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Costly
Yeah.
error.
No.
That's the most expensive service error of the match.
Yeah, it was.
As it puts Benilde at match point. They have 9 match points to play with.
Oh.
Too strong for Lieses. No room for error now for Letran. And now the usuals are back in. Nitura and Estrelier. Papalitan, Colendra. At Tumayaw.
Very crucial service this time para kay Estrelier.
So Nat now. Better server of the two. Final hurrah for Letran. Basilio. Binalik ni Nitura.
Ooh.
Oh,
Attack error.
attack error.
A very rare error galing kay Micah Go.
So Letran saves another one.
1 game point.
17 serving 24.
Match point. I mean, Estrelier. Wow, good serve.
Yeah. Basilio, underhand give, then save.
Wow.
Denied.
De La Cruz, good timing. Sinarado niya yung cross-court attack na yun mula kay Densing.
So that is now 3 match points saved
Yeah.
by Letran.
18 serving
He
24.
needs 6 more.
Bilog ang bola, Marts.
Basilio, Densing!
Not this time.
Make
Densing.
sure of the points. And Benilde has won this match in 4 sets. And they now take over the top spot in season 100.
Proving that they still dominate NCAA women's volleyball.
Aya Densing ending the match. And this is our final score. 13th win of the season for the Lady Blazers. And more importantly, they avenge their first round loss to